Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram has added one new feature, that is auto generated caption for Instagram feed post. So I will show you in one of my account how to use this feature. And first of all, you need to update your Instagram application, and after that, when you will select any post, like you need to select a feed post here. And if I will select any video here, hello, for example, okay, this video. Now click on next. After this, you need to click on next. Now go to advanced settings. Now here you can see show captions. So by default it will be off. You need to turn on this show captions. After that, go back and do this post, and once you have posted, just go to your Instagram feed. Here you can see captions are auto generated. Here you can see it is showing the caption in a regional language. So whichever language you have selected, it will show the caption in that regional language. So initially, for now, this feature is working with 7 different languages. So you can use this feature in this way. I have muted this video due to a copyright issue. So this is how this caption shows, you can see. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.